Price check serves as a function that has multiple purposes built into it. Its main use, as the name suggests, is to look up an item's currently set regular or sales price. You can do this by pressing the price check button and scanning the item you wish to look up. However, price check also allows you to view the item's discount scheme setup, properties, and even print labels if you have a label printer connected to your system. For more information on discounts, visit our Evolve POS playlist linked in the description. First, in the Print Label menu, the label settings will be displayed where you can change the number of labels you want to print or even the label format. Back into Price Check, if we select Properties, the Item Settings menu will appear. Here we don't only have access to the item price, description, department, tax rate, etc., but also a sales report by period. This includes a sales history by week, month, or even year. Lastly, Price Check also allows us to add the item to our current transaction.